Hello, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to discuss IMO Level 2 sample paper for grade 8. Next question. A point is chosen at random. Find the probability that chosen point will lie in the shaded region. So here you can see this is this is a square and a circle is inside it. Okay. So here you can see the radius of circle is 10.5 centimeter. And you can see the one side will be what? Side of one square will be 10 from here to here it is 10.5. So total this will become what? 10.5 plus 10.5 21. So we have to find the probability that chosen point will lie in the shaded region. Shaded region is this one only. A slight color change you can see here. This is our shaded region. Okay, this is our shaded region. So we have to find the probability that chosen point will lie in the shaded region. For that, what we have to find? We have to first find out the area of the square and then the area of the circle, and we have to subtract. Okay, so when we find out the area of square is equal to one side is 21 means side into side. It is equal to 21 into 21, 441 centimeter square. And the area of circle, which is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 3.14 into 10.5. Radius is 10.5, the whole square. So which is equal to 3.14 into 10 ratio. We will get approximately 346 into 346.185 we will get. Okay, so get the shaded region. What we have to do? We have to subtract this with this 441 minus 346.815. So we will get approximately 94815. Okay, so probability means what? This shaded region by total region. Shaded region is 994.815. Total region is 441. So when we divide this, we will get approximately 0.785. So this is not matching any of our option like 9 by 11, 7 by 11, 9 by 10. Okay, so the correct option will be none of these. Okay, next question. 17th question, that is A, B and C can complete a work of piece of work costing rupees 1,800, and A work for 6 days, B for 4 days and C for 9 days. If their daily wages are in the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 4, then how much amount will be received by A? So A, B and C are three persons. They are doing a piece of work and they are getting 1,800 rupees together. Okay, and A is working for 6 days, B is working for 4 days and C for 9 days. And their daily wages, the ratios of their daily wages are given, that is 5 is to 6 is to 4. Then we have to find out how much amount will A receive. Okay, how much money A will get. Okay, that we have to find. So here their ratios are given, that is 5 is to 6 is to 4. Okay, sorry, 5 is to 6 is to 4. So here we don't know the daily wages. So suppose let the wages be x, then each one will get what? 5 is to 6 is to 4. So A will get 5, wages of A will be 5x and B will be 6x because their ratio is given, and C will receive 4x. Okay, 5x, 6x and 4x. So here you can see A worked for 6 days. A worked for 6 days means what? That means for 6 days means 6 into 5x. He will receive for 6 days 5x. This will become 6 into 5x. So that is 30x. And B for 4 days means what? 4 into 6x. 4 days. Yeah, he is working per day. It is 6x means for 4 days, 4 into 6x, it is 24x. And C for 9 days. So 9 into 4x, which is equal to 36x. He is receiving. And the total amount it is given rupees 1,800. So we can write it as 30x plus 24x plus 36x is equal to, they are receiving total amount of rupees 1,800. So 30 plus 24 plus 36, we are getting 90x. 90x is equal to 1,800. So the value of x will be 1,800 divided by 90. So here you can see which is equal to 20. So value of x is 20 means what? Daily wage of A will be 5x. Okay, 5x. X is 20 means 5 into 20. He is receiving rupees 100 per day. Per day 100. If he work for 6 days, what will be his salary? That is 6 into 100 for 6 days. This is equal to 600. So A will receive rupees 600. Correct option is option B, rupees 600. Next question, arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to biggest, we have to arrange these numbers. Okay. First one, it is root 7 minus root 5. Second one, root 5 minus root 3. And root 9 minus root 7. And root 11 minus root 9. We have to arrange this in ascending. First, we will find out the value of this. Root 7 minus root 5, which we will get approximately equal to 0.4097. And this one is approximately root 5. It is value of root 5 is approximately 2.25, something like that, and root 3 is 1.732. When we subtract this, we will get approximately 0.5040, and this one is approximately root 9 is 3 and root 7 is 3 point something like that. So approximately this will become 0.354 to approximate value, and here root 9 minus root 7, it is approximately we are getting 0.3166. So here you can see which is the smallest value here. This one first, this one will second, and this is third smallest value, and this is the fourth. Okay, so this is the order. So this correct option which is matching is option B, root 11 minus root 9, root 9 minus root 7, root 7 minus root 5, and root 5 minus 3, root 3. So B is the correct option. Next question, a man donated 5% of his income to a charitable organization and deposited 20% of the remainder in a bank. Now, if he has rupees 1,919 rupees left with him, what is his income? So, a man, what he get his salary, and what he did donated 5% of income to a charitable organization. And after that, he deposited the remainder amount in a 20% of the remainder in a bank. Now what is left with him? Yes, 1,919 rupees. So we have to find out what was his actual income. Okay. So here we have to find out his income. Okay. So let's suppose let the income be X. We will take the income as X. Okay. Let the income be X. So he is donating 0.05% because 5% means what? 5 by 100 only. So donation amount is what? It is 0.05. 0.05 out of this income. So we can write it as 0.05 into X with the total amount. So this is the donation. So what is the remainder after donation? So remainder he has left. Remainder after donation will be X minus total. From total he donated 0.05X, right? So what is left with him? 0.9X. 95X is left with him. From this left remainder, what he did, he deposited 20% in the bank. Okay, so deposited amount is 20%. So deposited 20% means what it is? 0.20. 20 by 100, 0.20 into 0.95x. So this is the remainder amount, right? So from this he deposited 0.20, 20% means 0.20x here. Okay. So when we do this, we will get 0.19x. Okay. So now what is left with him? Let us check. So the amount left after deposition and donation, which is equal to 0.9x minus 0.19x. So what is left with him now? 0.76x is what is left with him now. Okay, so this amount is what is equal to rupees 1,919. Okay, this is the left amount. So we can write it as 0.7x is equal to 1,919 rupees, or x is equal to 1,919 divided by 0.76. So when we do this, we will get 2,525 rupees. So this is his income, 2,500. So we take x as income, right? So x we get 2,525. So this is his income. Correct option is option B. Next, a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Then we have to find the value of this. So here, a minus b, s minus a the whole square plus s minus b the whole square plus s minus c the whole square plus a square. So here, this is in the form of a minus b the whole square. All the threes are a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square is identity. We have a square minus 2ab plus b square. So which is equal to s minus a the whole square will become s square minus 2sa plus a square plus S square minus 2BS plus B square. And third one, S square minus 2CS plus C square plus S square is also there. So here for 1, 2, 3, 4. 4S square is there. So we can add, when we add this, we will get 4S square minus from this and this, we can take the 2S outside. 2S, when we take the 2S outside, what is left inside? That is A plus B plus C is inside, and other A square, B square and C square is also left. A square plus B square plus C square. So A plus B plus C, it is given in the question. The value of A plus B plus C is 2S. So we can substitute the value here, minus 2S into 2S plus A square plus B square plus C square. So which is equal to 4S square minus 2S into 2S. This will become 2 into 2, 4, S into S, S square. So 4S square plus A square plus B square plus C square. So this will become what? 4S and 4S square and with cancelled off. What is left? A square plus B square plus C square is left. Correct option is option C, A square plus B square plus C square. Next question, the given figure is made up of triangle and two identical semicircles. P and Q are the centers of the semicircles, and if EP is the radius of the semicircle and measures 14 centimeter, then we have to find out the total shaded area. Here you can see two same semicircles, identical semicircles, and one triangle is also there. Okay. So what we have to find out here, we have to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, area of the shaded region. Here you can see that is BPE. BPE. When you see this, it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? This will be 90 and each angle will measure 45 degree and 45 degree. Okay, when it is isosceles triangle. Okay, so when we take here this as x, okay, and this will become also x. Okay, two sides will be equal in isosceles triangle. Okay, so here first we will find out the third side using the Pythagoras theorem. So here you can say one side it is 14 only. Radius it is given as 14. Okay. So here you can write x square plus x square is equal to 14 square. That is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. So x square and x square will become 2x square is equal to 14 square. It is 196. Okay. So from here you can write x square is equal to 196 by 2 or which is equal to 98. So keep just remain like this. Next, we will find out the area of two semicircles and two uh, triangles. Two right angle triangles you can see here. This big triangle is divided into two right angle triangles. So first what we have to do, first we will find out the area of semicircle. Area of full circle is pi r square. Semicircle is half pi r square. Okay. So here we are having two semicircles. So 2 times half pi r square minus 2 into half into base into height, because this is the area of these two triangles. Okay, this is, there is also same two triangles are there. So 2 times half into base into h. Okay, this is the formula to find the area of the right angle triangle. So here which will become 2 and 2 will get cancelled off. So pi r square, we can give the value of pi 22 by 7 into r square, 14 into 14. Radius is 14 minus 2 and 2 here, 2 1 by 2 n. And B and H is what is our base and altitude is x and x only, x into x. So that is x square. That will be here. This will get cancelled off 2 times. Okay. So here we will get, this is x into x square. X into x will become what? X square. And the value of x square is, we get here the value, that is 98. We can substitute this value. 22 into 2 into 14. It is 660 minus x into x, x square. The value of x square is 98 only. So 616 minus 98, which is equal to 518 centimeter square is what is our area. But this area, this is the area of the shaded region, but this is not matching with our any of our option like 108, 250 or 156. So the correct option is option D, that is none of these. Next question, Shika folded the 3 corners of a triangle. She managed to measure 4 of the angles as shown below. Before breaking the protractor, help her to find F, G and H respectively. So here you can see this. Okay, so Shika folded this paper. Foldings you can see. This is one folding and here also one folding and here also one folding. Okay, so here first we will find out when you examine this G, angle G, okay, here angle G is there. Angle G, see, this is a shape of a quadrilateral only here. Okay, so in quadrilateral, all the angles sum up to what? 360 degree only. Sum of all the angles will be 360 degree. And we have the three angles here, right? 130 plus 94 plus 84 plus angle G will be what? 360 degree only. So, which is equal to 130 plus 94 plus 84, you will get 300. So, here we have to add these three angles. Okay, so you will get 308. 308 plus angle G is equal to 360 degree, or angle G you will get 360 degree minus 308. So, that is equal to 52 degree. So the angle G is 52 degree we get. Now suppose assume that I'm going to unfold this portion. Okay, this portion I'm going to unfold. This F portion. Okay, when I unfold this, what will happen? This will become a triangle like this. Okay, and F will be here only. Okay, so this is a triangle now. Okay, so in a triangle, the three with angles of property, three angles of a triangle will be what? 180 degree. And if this is G, we know we have find out that is 52 degree. Another angle it is 84 degree. The third angle we can easily find out angle F. So angle F will be is equal to 180 degree minus 52 plus 84 degree. So which is equal to 180 degree minus 52 plus 84. It is 136 degree. So 180 minus 134, 136, it is equal to 44 degree. So angle F, it is 44 degree. So first one we get 44 degree. Angle F we get 44 degree. Angle G we get 52 degree. One more angle we have to find, that is angle H. Okay. Suppose let's if you assume, okay, you are unfolding all the parts. You are unfolding all the parts. Okay. So when you unfold all the parts, how which figure, how you will get a figure like this, a big triangle like this. When you unfold all the parts, when you unfold this part, and this part. Okay. So in when you so this angle we have already get, that is 44 degree, that is our F. And this angle will be what? This is same to that of 89 degree when we unfold. So this is 89 degree, and we have to find this angle, that is our angle H. So we can easily find out using the angles and property, that is using angles and property, this will be equal to 180. Angle H will be equal to 180 minus 89 plus 44. Sum ups to three angles will sum ups to 180 degree. So which is equal to 180 degree minus, that is 133 degree. So this will become x equal to 47 degree. So the angle H we will get 47 degree. Three angles we get, angle H is equal to 47 degree. So the correct option is option B, 44 degree, 52 degree and 47 degree. Next question, rectangular tank below not drawn to scale is made of stainless steel. It has steel measuring 6 centimeter thick all around. The outer measurement of tank is 38 centimeter by 29 centimeter and by 16 centimeter. What is the volume of steel used to cast the tank? So here you can see rectangular tank is given. Okay, it is made of stainless steel. Okay, it has steel measuring 6 centimeter thick all around. Okay, it has steel measuring. Okay, so here you can see you have to find out the volume of the steel used to cast the tank. Okay, so volume which is given by volume of outer part divided minus volume of inner volume. Okay, so here you can see the thickness is there in this side, and this side 6 centimeter, all the sides 6 centimeter thickness is there. Okay, so first what is the formula to find out the volume? It is length into breadth into height. Okay, length is given, that is 38, breadth 29 and height is 16 centimeter. Okay, so outer volume we can find out this. Okay, so we outer volume will be what? 38 into 29 into 16. This will be our outer volume. Okay, minus inner volume, what we have to do here? Length and breadth. Length and breadth is all sides, it is 6 centimeter thickness is there. Okay, so we have to subtract 12 from length and breadth, because length 6 and 6 it is 12, and breadth 6 and 6 12. So we have to subtract 12 from, to get the inner volume we have to subtract 12 from the length and breadth that is given in the here, that is 38. 38 minus 12 and 29 minus 12. When we do 38 minus 12, we'll get 26 centimeter, and 29 minus 12, it is 17 centimeter. And here for 16, we don't want to subtract with 12. We have to only thickness, it is for height, it is only for one time. So we have to subtract it with 16 minus 6 only. So that is 10. So this is the inner measurements. Okay. To find out the inner volume, we have to do new length is 26, and breadth is 17 centimeter, and height is 10. So 38 into 29 into 16, we will get 17,632, and 26 into 17 into 10, we are having 4,420. So when we subtract this, we will get the volume of steel used to cast the tank. So here we are getting 13,212 centimeter cube volume. Okay, centimeter cube we are getting. So the correct option is option C, 13,212 centimeter cube. Next question. The given pie chart shows how Prisha divides her monthly income of rupees 1,500. This year, she receives a pay raise of rupees 5,500. So, she keeps a distribution ratio of her income for the same. So, how much money does she have for clothes and entertainment now? So, here in this question, the given pie chart is showing how Prisha divides her monthly income. So, actual her monthly income is rupees 1,500 only. This month, what she get a pay raise of 500. So here her income is 1,500 plus 500, which is equal to rupees 2,000 rupees is her income this month. Okay. But the distribution ratio is same for all the things like food, savings, transport, etc. So here first what we have to find out, first we have to find out the total percentage she is spending for other things, like we have to find out the percentage for clothes and how much money she spent for clothes and entertainment, right? So to find out the percentage first, what we have to do, we have to add all the other percentage and we have to subtract it with 100 percentage. So we will get the percentage for clothes and entertainment, and we can find out, after that we will find out how much money she is spending for that. So 12.5 plus 6.25 percentage and 37.5 percentage. So when we add this, we are getting 5, 2 and 56.25% she's spending here total for these three things. So when we subtract this with 100, so we will get the percentage she is spending for clothes and entertainment. Okay, 56.25, that is 5. And here 734. 43.75% she is 43.75% she is spending for clothes and entertainment. So how much money she is spending for? So that is 43.75 divided by 100 into with the total amount she is getting from 2000 total amount. So when we cancel this, so we are getting rupees 875. So she is spending rupees 875 for clothes and entertainment. Correct option is option B. Next question, which of the given properties of a rhombus is necessary to construct it? To construct a rhombus, what are all the which property is necessary? So this is our rhombus. So to construct this, all the four side opposite angles, length of angles bisect each other at right angles. So this one is necessary. See, length of diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So here out of these options, this one is necessary to construct a rhombus. Length of diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Option C is the correct one. Next, add the result of A and B and find the coefficient of x square. So here we have to, first we have to subtract A, B and then we have to add both the answers. Okay, then we have to find out the coefficient of x square. Coefficient means what? 2x square means the coefficient of x square is 2 here. 4x cube means coefficient of x cube is 4 here. Okay, so that is what is the coefficient, the constant. Okay. So which is equal to, first we have to subtract this from this. Okay, so x cube minus 2x square plus 9x minus 3x cube plus x square minus 4x plus 5. So when we subtract this, this will become x cube minus 3x cube. Okay, we will write the same terms together. X cube minus 3x cube minus 2x square minus x square, same terms together. So plus 9x, this one and this one will become plus 9x. Okay, plus 9x minus 4x minus 5. This one will, so minus 1 minus 3, this is minus 2, minus 2x cube minus 3x square plus 9x plus 4x, 13x minus 5. So this one we will get for the first one when we subtract. And for the second one, that is x cube minus 4x plus 3 minus 4x cube plus 6x square minus 5. So which is equal to, we are getting here same terms together when we combine. So x cube minus 4x cube minus 6x square minus 4x plus 8. So which is equal to minus 3x cube minus 6x square minus 4x plus 8. Okay. So this is what is our answer. So when this is the first one answer, we get this second one. Okay. So when we add these two, what will happen? Minus 2 plus minus 3. So minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. So which is equal to minus 5x cube minus 3 minus 6. Okay. Minus 3x square and minus 6x square, which is equal to minus 9x square plus 9x minus plus 3. So this is the answer when we add these two. Okay. These x cube and x cube we have to add x square and x square, x and x and the constant value. So here you can see what is the coefficient of x square here. That is minus 9. So the coefficient of x square is minus 9. Correct option is option A, minus 9. Next question, let E is equal to 3 and B is equal to 7 and A is equal to 4. Find the other digits in the sum given below out of the options. So here you can see all the letters, all the different digits are for different letters. Okay, some of them are given in the questions like E3, B7, A4. Okay, so here you can see E and L, we are getting S. Okay, let's see. E is 3 and B we are getting here, B is 7, they are saying, and A is 4 only. Okay, A is 4. Okay. And here 3 is 3. Okay, E 3. So when we do, we will first start with the smallest number. Okay, we will check with the 0 first. Okay, check with the 0 first. So here 3 plus 0. Okay, 3 plus 0 when we did, what will be the answer value of S? Yes, we will get 3 only. Okay, and when we do this 3, okay, 3 with here, substitute here. L already we have taken as 0. So 3 plus 0. Again, E we are getting 3. Okay, it is given in the question. Yes. Yes. So 0 is matching here. Next, A plus A. That is 4 plus 4. We are getting M. So the value of M will be what? 8 only. 4 plus 4, 8. And 7 plus 7, it is 14. So we don't have any carry here. So this will become what? This is 4 and G will be 1. So we get the values for all the letters, right? So here already given it is E, B and A. The other letters that we have to find G, S, L and M. Here we get G is equal to 8, S is equal to 3, L is equal to 0 and M is equal to 8. Sorry. G we are getting 1 only. Sorry. G1, G1, S3, L0 and M8. So which one is which option is matching all these? G1, S3, L0, M8. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. If x plus y plus z is equal to 6 and is an odd digit, then the 3-digit number xyz is what? An odd multiple of 3, odd multiple of 6, that we have to, which of the correct option it is matching, that we have to check. Okay. So here they are saying x plus y plus z is equal to 6 and is an odd digit, then x 3-digit number x into y into z will be what? Okay. So first, we will check for all the numbers. Okay. If Z is equal to 1, what will happen? Z, when we give suppose we are taking z is equal to 1, then x plus y will be what? It is equal to 5 only, because 5 plus 1 is 6, right? X plus y plus z, we have to get 6. So x plus y will be 5 only. And when z is equal to 3, what will happen? X plus y will be 3 only, because 3 plus 3 6. And when we take z is equal to, 3 we have already taken 5. Okay, next odd number, that is z is equal to 5. X plus y will become what? 1 only. Okay, 1 plus 5 plus 1, 6. So when z is equal to 1, what are the possible cases we can write here? Yes, 0, 5, 1 can be the possible case. 0, 4, 1 can take 4 plus 1. Okay, so 0, 3, 1, 0, these from these out possible cases, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 501, 401. These are all the possible cases you can take here. Okay. So from these possible cases, so if z is equal to 3, suppose 0, 3, 3 divided by 3. When we divide with the odd multiple, that is, we will get 11. Okay. And next case, when we take 123. So this one also sum, we are getting 6 only. 123 divided by 3, when we did what, we get 41 only. And next number, next case we can take is 213. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is again 6 divided by 3. When we did, it is 71 only. And 303 also we are getting here 101. So here you can see all are odd multiples of 3 only. This is odd, this is odd, and this is odd, this is odd. If we take the z is equal to 5, that condition also 0, 1, 5. 15 divided by 3, we are getting 5. And when we take 105 divided by 3, also we are getting 35. So these are all the odd multiples of 3 only. Okay. So we can say that from these observations, we can say that xyz will be 3-digit number. Xyz is also here an odd multiple of 3. Okay, correct option is option A. Next question, if the height of the cylinder becomes 1 by 8 of the original height and the radius become half, then which of the following will be true? Okay, so here height of the radius become 1 by 8 of the original height. Okay. So in this case, we have to find out the curved surface area. Okay. So all the four options are regarding the curved surface area. Okay. That is the CSA, curved surface area. So formula to find out the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Okay. So here new height. Okay. This is the original height and rate, original formula of this. Now the height and radius has changed, right? So new height is what? New height becomes what? 1 by 8 of the original height. So height h dash, I am denoting with h dash. So it is becoming 1 by 8 of the original height. And the radius is becoming what? New radius is r dash. There is dash I am denoting to know the, because to avoid confusion, I am denoting it with dash. So here r dash will become what? It will become half. So 1 by 2 r. Now we will find out the new curved surface area. New curved surface area will be what? 2 pi r dash and h dash. Okay, instead of r and h, we have to give r dash and h dash. So this will become 2 pi into 1 by 2 r into 1 by 8 h. So which is equal to 2 pi into 1 by 8 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 8 into rh. R into h. So this is equal to 2 pi into 1 by 16 into RH, or 1 by 16 into 2 pi RH. Okay. So here you can see 1 by 16th of 2 pi RH. So we can say that the curved surface area of the cylinder will be 1 by 16th of the original curved surface area. Okay. So the correct option is option D. Okay, so 1 by 8, if origin height becomes 1 by 8 and radius become half, the curved surface area of the cylinder will become 1 by 16th of the original curved surface area. Next question, store A and store B both charged rupees 750 for a video game. This week, the video game is on sale for rupees 600 at store B and 25% off at store A. So which store the game is less expensive? So for that, what we have to check here, right? In the first store A, they are actual price of the game is rupees 750. But now for a sale, store A, okay, sorry, so store B is uh, okay, on sale it is for 600 in store B, and in store A it is at 25%. Okay, so discount at store A is what? 25%. So we have to find out which store the game is less expensive. Okay, so discount it is 25% means what? It is 750 out of 750, 25%. So 0.25. So this is what is the 187.5. This is what is actually the price here. Okay, so what will be the sale price here? Sale price will be, we have to subtract the discount amount from the original. So 750 rupees is the original amount. We have to subtract the discount rate. That is 187.5. So we will get rupees 562.5. Okay. So store A it is rupees 562.5, and store B it is rupees 600. So in which store the game is less expensive? Yes, in store A, the game is less expensive. So the correct option is option A, that is store A.